Introducing the Gina Lynn Pink Harness with Stud, a complete strap-on system featuring a 7.5-inch long removable dong. The comfortable, plushy, soft black harness with candy pink non-chafing nylon straps is fully adjustable, with a waist adjustment up to 50 inches. The secure 4-snap harness design fits most dongs. The pink removable dong is 7.5 inches long and 1.5 inches wide and is made of a high-quality, safe and pure material. Now you can have your very own hard-on and engage in sex no matter what your gender. And it's been tested and endorsed by adult film star Gina Lynn. It's easy to use. Just pull the straps away from the front of the harness and slide the dong through the silver ring so it protrudes away from the harness. Step into the harness and adjust the straps. Now you are ready to rock. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your pink stud with California Exotic Novelties brand Universal Toy Cleaner. Strap it on and get it on with the Gina Lynn Pink Harness and Stud.